Welcome back to Future Capital, where we decode money, jobs, and investing in the AI economy. In the last video, we talked about jobs that may disappear. Today, we talk about something more important, the skills that will make you financially unstoppable in the AI era, because AI does not replace skilled people, it replaces predictable people. Let's begin. According to the World Economic Forum Future of Jobs report, the top growing skills globally are analytical thinking, AI and big data, creative thinking, technological literacy. Meanwhile, routine and repetitive skills are declining. The message is clear: AI rewards strategy, AI rewards creativity, AI rewards technical literacy. Now, let's break down the 7 skills that matter most. Skill 1. AI literacy, not coding, understanding. AI literacy means you understand how AI tools work, you know how to use them in your job. Example, a marketer using AI to create campaign ideas, a lawyer using AI to scan documents, a teacher using AI to build lesson plans. You do not need to build AI, you need to use AI. According to McKinsey and Company, companies that adopt AI early increase productivity significantly. AI literacy is a productivity advantage. Skill 2. Prompt engineering. This is simple. The better your instructions to AI, the better your results. Example, bad prompt, write marketing content. Good prompt, write a high-converting Instagram ad, targeting 25 to 35-year-old tech professionals, focusing on productivity benefits. Clear instructions create powerful output. This skill is already being paid for in many industries. Skill 3. Data analysis and interpretation. AI gives data, humans must interpret it. Example, AI shows customer engagement dropped 12%. You must ask, why? Is it price? Is it content? Is it competition? According to OECD, data-driven decision skills are increasingly valuable. Data without thinking is useless. Skill 4. Digital communication. In the AI economy, remote and digital work dominates. This means clear writing, structured thinking, video presence, online collaboration. Example, 2 professionals have the same technical skills, one communicates clearly online, one does not. Who gets promoted? Communication multiplies value. Skill 5. Strategic thinking. AI handles tasks, humans handle direction. Strategic thinking means long-term planning, market awareness, risk assessment. Example, AI can generate business ideas, but deciding which one has real market demand, that is strategy. This is what executives are paid for. Skill 6. Adaptability. According to the World Economic Forum, the average worker will need to reskill multiple times before 2030. The job you have today may evolve within 3 to 5 years. Example, graphic designers now learn AI design tools, programmers now learn AI-assisted coding, writers now use AI for faster research. Those who adapt grow, those who resist struggle. Skill 7. Financial and investment literacy. This is where most people fail. Even if AI increases your income, if you do not invest wisely, you stay average. According to PwC, AI could add $15.7 trillion to the global economy. By 2030, the AI wave creates new companies, new industries, new assets. If you understand investing basics, you do not just work in the AI economy, you own part of it. Example, someone learns about semiconductor demand early, they invest gradually, 10 years later. Massive compound growth, skills create income, investing creates wealth. Now, let's compare 2 people again. Person A avoids AI, uses the same skills for 10 years, does not invest. Person B learns AI tools, improves productivity, builds side income, invests monthly. In 5 to 10 years, Person B has higher income, more flexibility, investment assets, career security. This is not luck, this is skill stacking. The AI era will not reward the smartest, it will reward the most adaptable. You do not need to be a genius, you need to understand AI, use AI, think strategically, invest consistently. That is how you become financially unstoppable. This is Future Capital, where we prepare you, not just to survive, but to win in the AI economy. Subscribe if you are building your future. I will see you in the next one.